Hello and welcome to this Outlook tutorial video hosted by Adam Pearce of Strawberry 7. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add a signature onto your email using Outlook. If we open Outlook and go to File, Options, then click on Mail, we'll be able to enter the signature section. From here, we can select New, give our signature a name. I'll just call mine Default. And then we can enter the signature here. Now, my personal opinion is that these signature editors are really bad. They don't work very well, and they don't work very well in Outlook. So let me give you an example of what I mean. Let's say that we just want to put a picture into our signature. We can click here to insert a picture, and it seems like we'd have options to adjust its size, but for whatever reason, they just are not working. And it's difficult to adjust the size. So my general advice is to not bother creating your signature here, where it's difficult to manipulate and you have very limited options. Instead, make it in a program such as Word. That way, you can specify your signature and customize it in a much more meaningful way. So let's write out a quick signature here. And now we can make the picture a bit smaller. And also we can remove this gap. There, that looks fine. So what we can now do is we can select this text, copy it, go back to the signature editor in Outlook, and let's see if we can paste it in. Yes. If I was doing this signature properly, then I would align some of this text so that it was nicely in line with the logo. For example, you could just tab the text in and then change the tab alignments up here. We'd have to turn the ruler on to do that. We could change the text alignment here. And this will make it look a little bit neater and smarten it up. You'll have to adjust some of these options according to what you want to do. So once you've created your signature the way that you would like, you can then select what signature you want to have as your signature for your new messages from this account, and also if you want it on your replies and forwards. I'm going to select this as the signature that I want for both. You may want to have different signatures for your replies to your new messages. A good example might be new messages that you send to people might list a lot of your details, such as your address and extension phone number and various things like that, whereas your replies might just say kind regards and then your name. When you're done, click OK, and your signature is applied to your account in that way.
Finally, as always, thank you for watching. That concludes this video tutorial. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments below. If you have any suggestions for more videos you'd like to see, let us know. If you liked this video, please consider leaving us a like and subscribing to our channel for all the latest updates.